Some of the sounds that you asked for, Dick, I had in my library. Others, I had to go out with my phi chord and get, notably the one of the mouse gnawing on a piece of cheese. The only cheese that I had in the house was an old dried up bit of Swiss cheese, and I put it in the corner of a room, and I planted the Grampian microphone right next to it.
Oh, cheese.
As far as the sunray was concerned, that was very easy because it was a very sunshiny day. Well, I had to wait a few days for the sound of the moonbeam because the sky was clouded over, but I finally got it. Getting the sounds of the termites at work proved to be the most difficult of all because, as you know, Dick, there are mighty few wooden houses here in New York City. And so I had to take a trip out to the country before I was successful. Fortunately, I had my phi chord along this time, and the first sequence I got the termites flying around in the air, and then when they finally lit onto the foundation of a wooden building, you can hear them at work. One would imagine that it would be a comparatively simple matter to get the sound of a thought wave, but you would be surprised how many times I tried. There are very, very few people thinking nowadays, but finally I was successful. Fortunately, I had the foresight of going out last winter with my portable recorder to capture the sounds of the snowflakes falling. First you hear them whirling through the air, and finally they hit the ground. Well, Dick, I promised you a dividend in the form of the sound of an unborn baby. So you're about to hear the sound of an unborn baby elephant. Here's the sound of a glass skirt. Oh, grass skirt. I thought you said glass skirt.